Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create an invoice using Canva. Yes, you heard right. So let's get started. So first of all, open Google Chrome browser, select your profile, and you can search canva.com on URL box, or after opening the website of official Canva, just go to this option and log in with your Gmail account. After logging in, you will see this type of home page. Click on create a design option. Now here you have to type invoice. Search for invoice. You can see this option here. Click on here. Now the best thing about Canva is it offers you hundred suggestions of invoice template, so you don't have to do any tough tasks, so searching it up. So just finalize according to your need which kind of invoice you needed. You can choose different type of designs. So after choosing the invoice, just change the text, put your firm name. You can change the text size as well as by maximizing and minimizing it. You can change the input text by clicking on here, just backscape and put the value according to your need. After doing all the changes, you can also change the color by going to this A option and change the color. So after doing all the changes, to download this, before download this, please like my video and subscribe my channel. I bring the best videos out there on Windows 11. So right now you have to go to share option, click on download, click to JPG format and click on download to download your invoice. So guys, this was an easy tutorial to how to make invoice using Canva. I hope you like it. So I will see you in the next video.